Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel today, and let me just say welcome back from the X Empire allocation. How was the allocation for you? Because for me it was I don't know how I can put it, but to a lot of people in my community on Telegram, it was actually devastating because some people were not allocated anything. Some got about 50,000 allocation, some got about 100,000, and I got about 600,000. And I saw people that got about 1 million, 2 million, 5 million, 10 million, 15 million, like that. I think these projects actually reward people that invest in them financially. Not just the tap and the work. I think they reward people that invest in them financially, because I did the star, I did the donation, I did the avatar, I did the deposit stars of a thing. But let me know in the comment section, how is the allocation for you? Is this something you expected, or it's something that's beyond what you expected? Because a lot of people do not qualify for the airdrop, and I'm very, very sorry to that. And I'm sad on their behalf. Let me just say that, because they invested their time into it, and that is just it. And that is why I made the video about Memfi. You need to read their eligibility criteria very well. So a lot of people been asking me that what other projects am I doing, and that is the reason why I am making this video today. I'm going to show you what other projects I am currently doing that is on my mobile phone right here. This is for the airdrop, and for the testnet, which is on the computer, I'm going to show you that later. But now let me just switch over to my mobile phone and show you what project I'm currently doing. So now you can see on the screen, the number one on the screen is QBX. The number one on the screen, QBS. I'm going to leave the link to all these airdrop in the description. And for people that feel like they don't want to use my referral link, you can search for the name of the project on Telegram. It's going to bring it for you. You can join directly. And for my community people that want to use my referral link, you can go ahead and use it. It's in the description of this video, so you can go ahead. So let me just go back and show you that. So we have the QBS, which is right here. That is my number one, followed by the Money Dog. All these ones are just the normal tap, just tap, 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 tap. But for Money Dog is just the mining. It's just about mining. And we have W Coin also, the Toe Market, and the X Empire, which just actually finished. And also we have Major on the list. I have the Major on the list. And also I have Bloom. Bloom is right there. And Memfi is also here. I also have the Time Farm, which I also do, and also I have the Pocket Fi, which is a we have the Pocket Fi here. I have the Dogators, which I recently started, and also Owners Tap Tap Tap, I have it, and Vectors also, I have Vectors also. I have Gems, but I don't really do the Gems very well, and I recently joined the Friends Factory, which is there. I also have the H-ROM also, and this is Coin, which ended the airdrop recently, but we still have a lot of coin which is at stake there. And also I have the CEX.io right here. I do that also. I have the Goats Gaming also. I have the Simple Coin. I have Beats. I have the Not Pixel, which is right there. You can see the Not Pixel right there. I have the Yes Coin. Have the Pitch Talk. I have Friend, but Friend has actually completed their airdrop. Their farming. Yes, they have completed it. I have the Grim, but I don't really use the Grim very much like that. So also I have the Puff Pow boards. I have the Tap Swap. I don't really use the Rocket Rush very well. I have the Vanilla Finance. I have the White Yes Coin. I have the Not Game. No, this one is not really an airdrop like that. I have the Not Gram right there. I have the Sidekick also. So those are the airdrop I actually do. And for air, I have the Goats, Pixeta back in the days then. So, and also I have the Seed, which is right there. I have the Seed. I have Banana and okay, the likes of Rocky Rabbit in the past. So these are the projects I am actually doing, which are the airdrop I'm actually. So if you want to join any of them, I have the link in the description. And also if you want me to talk about on this particular project, you can just drop it in the comment section, because people say I hardly make videos on this particular project, only the famous ones, because Reason is because there are lots of projects out there. You know, you can't put a lot of videos on YouTube like that. It consumes time. That is why we do most of those things on the Telegram channel. So you can join the Telegram channel also to benefit from it. And the link for all these projects, it's in the description. And once again, for people that say they don't want to use my referral link, I don't know the reason. Probably they believe that they are making more referrals from me and just getting me more allocation. It's part of the reason why there is a referral link on those platforms. So you can search for this project link or project name on your Telegram. To do that, all you need to do is just come over to search right here. So which is right here. So once you come to search right here, all you need to do is just switch over to apps, which is up here. So once you switch over to apps, you can see all these projects right on Telegram. So this is Telegram pushing it there. There is no referral link there. You just need to just pick on anyone you want to pick. Make sure any projects you are joining, make sure you join their Telegram channel. That is the way you are going to receive updates on that particular project. So thank you for watching my video. I really do appreciate, and I will be saying bye for now.